If you've ever found yourself totally drowning in pages of research, long reports, or just massive document uploads, you are absolutely going to love this. Today's explainer, we're breaking down a brilliantly simple AI workflow from Miss P. She goes by the AI Whisperer. And by the end of this, you're going to see exactly how to take those overwhelming walls of text and shrink them into punchy, ready-to-use social posts. Seriously, this is going to save you hours of manual reading, highlighting, and summarizing every single week. Let's get right into it.
Okay, so think about this for a second. How do you actually handle massive files and overwhelming walls of text? I mean, we've all been there, right? You get handed a huge document. Maybe it's a super dense research paper, a verbatim transcript from a 2-hour meeting that really could have been an email, or an incredibly lengthy legal brief. The traditional way? You sit down, read through it line by line, take notes, highlight the key points, and then try to condense it all yourself. It is exhausting. It completely drains your time and your creative energy before you even get to the actual output you need to create.
But Miss P introduces us to a much, much better way. It's far more efficient. She uses what we can call a macro to micro funnel. It's a remarkably simple 3-step process. Step 1, you just upload or generate your massive text. Step 2, you force the AI to shorten that text down to very specific details. And Step 3, you repurpose that tiny, focused nugget into a usable asset. This workflow is essentially a funnel that continuously narrows down information. It does all the heavy lifting for you, so you can just skip straight to the finish line.
So let's look at how this starts right at the top of the funnel, the macro stage, if you will. Here is the exact voice prompt Miss P used in her demonstration. She asks her AI, which she affectionately calls Chad, short for ChatGPT, saying, "Hey Chad, can you give me a long list of mammals that are in the ocean or live around the ocean that are harmless and those who are harmful?" Now, she used this prompt to generate a huge amount of text just for the sake of the tutorial. But, as she points out, you can just as easily use that Add Photos or Files button in your AI tool to simply upload your own lengthy documents. The whole goal here is just to get all that raw data into the system. And the result of that initial prompt? Well, you get a massive, highly detailed list of ocean mammals totally categorized into harmless and harmful. The AI goes all out here, generating an absolute mountain of dense information and intense details. Now, as Miss P notes, this output is fantastic if you're doing, say, deep research for a college paper or maybe helping your kids with a massive school project. It is incredibly thorough. But for most of our day-to-day tasks, this is just way too much data. You don't need a textbook, right? You just need a quick takeaway.
And this brilliantly illustrates the exact core problem we're solving in this explainer today. On one hand, you have that long list, overwhelming details, heavy research, endless scrolling. Sure, it's impressive, but it's really hard to actually use quickly. On the other hand, you have the ultimate goal, the short list. We're talking just a couple of highly focused bullet points. Getting from that deep research to a concise summary manually, that takes serious time. But by using this AI Whisperer trick, we can literally jump across that gap in a matter of seconds.
Which brings us to step 2 of the funnel. Once you have your massive text loaded in, you apply the squeeze. Here is the exact prompt Miss P uses to filter that massive list down. She says, "Can you please shorten this to 2 mammals and give me a bullet point of brief description or personality?" Notice how specific this is. She isn't just saying, "Hey, summarize this." No, she's giving the AI very strict focus parameters. Exactly 2 mammals, bullet point format, and focusing specifically on brief descriptions and personality. You can use your voice or type it out, but by being this direct, you are basically forcing the AI to strip away about 99% of that massive list.
And immediately, the output just completely shifts. Instead of scrolling through endless paragraphs of research, you're instantly handed this. Just 2 mammals, each with a brief, punchy personality description. Look how fast the AI follows that prompt to deliver a shortened, perfectly manageable output based strictly on the parameters she set. It's concise, it's readable, and the best part? It takes seconds instead of hours. But Miss P doesn't stop here. And honestly, neither should we. Let's move forward and see how this builds into the final, most impactful step. This is what Miss P calls her bonus step. We take that already shortened list and we squeeze it one more time to create an actual asset. Here's her next prompt. Could you shorten this to just one, maybe the polar bear, and then make the polar bear a social media image along with one of his personality, one of his bullet points? This is where the magic really happens, guys. She is taking a tiny fragment of that original massive data drop, literally just the polar bear, and asking the AI to repurpose it into a completely new, ready-to-publish visual asset. Now check out this final result. The AI generates a beautiful, striking image of a polar bear, but it's not just a picture. It packages it perfectly as a social media post.
It includes the personality traits pulled directly from the original data. Powerful, territorial, and it even crafts a warning message to go right along with it. The whole shebang is right there. Just think about the journey we just took. We started with a massive, completely unwieldy wall of research about every single ocean mammal, and in just a few quick prompts, we arrived at a highly specific, visually stunning social media post about a single polar bear's personality.
So the absolutely crucial point here is understanding this framework. We're looking at the macro to micro funnel. What makes this so incredibly effective is that narrowing the AI's focus actually prevents it from hallucinating. It yields much higher quality outputs than if you just asked it to summarize everything all at once. Now, as Ms. P demonstrates, you might not always want your text shortened quite this much. The level of detail you keep is entirely up to you, but the core takeaway here is that you are in control. AI has the power to take literally any massive upload and shrink it down to fit your exact specific needs, doing all the tedious heavy lifting so you can just focus on the final product.
Which leaves us with one final, pretty important question to consider today. What massive, overwhelming file will you shrink into a single post? Seriously, think about that dense report sitting on your desktop right now, or that huge PDF you've been actively putting off reading. You now have the exact workflow to condense it, pull out the absolute best insights, and turn it into something instantly useful. You do not have to drown in data anymore. Just remember to leverage that funnel and tackle your massive files, as Ms. P says,